Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Cheeds. And today we're making Shkmeruli. Let's get into it. Hey, you there watching the video. If you do me one small favor, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you can be notified of new videos. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. All right. In a bowl of your choosing, we're going to add your chicken. I just have some drumsticks and thighs. I think traditionally it's supposed to be made with like a whole chicken, but I'm just working with what I got. You feel me? It is what it is. Now I'm going to trim off some of the extra fat. I'll be right back. All right. After trimming the fat, we're now going to salt our chicken. Massage it. Make sure it's nice and mixed up in there. Hey now. We gotta salt our chicken until it's nice and seasoned. We don't want no bland food out here in these streets. Why am I singing? I don't know, it just came upon my soul. After seasoning the chicken, the only real prep you need to do is to grate some garlic. Now you can use a mortar and pestle. I don't have one, so I'm just going to use a microplane and grate my garlic. And we're going to have to do this for about 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. I think I have 12. Maybe I should make it 13. Make it a baker's dozen. Over medium heat, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. We're going to slowly add our chicken in. And we just want to brown each side a little bit. Have it get some color on there and start cooking the chicken. All right, once you've got good coloration on the chicken, you're gonna take it off the heat. Still got one more thigh to cook. Over medium heat, we're gonna melt about 2 tablespoons of butter. Then to that butter, we're gonna add some dill weed, chili powder, cinnamon, marjoram, coriander seed that I ground it up. And we're gonna whisk everything together. And then we're gonna go in with our grated garlic. And whisk that in there as well. We'll slowly add in a cup and a half of milk. For those of you taking time out of your day to watch this video, I just wanted to say thank you. I appreciate your support. Now back to the video. Once it starts bubbling like that a little bit, we're gonna add our chicken back to this milk mixture here. And we're just gonna let our chicken finish cooking with the milk mixture. I'm also going to add some bay leaves to this. Should have added it earlier, but it is what it is. Add one right there. Add one right there. Add one right there. And add one right there. Alright, we're going to turn the chicken over a little bit just to make sure and try to get it completely submerged and get all that flavor in there. Once the meat is cooked up to temp, then you can go ahead and take it out. And it's time for the taste test. All right, it's munch time. Let's dig in. I believe this is a Georgian, I don't know if I pronounced that right, a Georgian dish from the country of Georgia, not the state, for all of my US watchers here. Yeah, let's dig in. Hey, yo. It's so simple, but it's so good. This one is pretty good. This right here was most definitely Chidolicious. That's really good. It's a simple dish. Doesn't require too many ingredients. Y'all gotta make this. And let me know what you think down in the comments down below. If you like the video, make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe. Maybe give me another suggestion on another international dish I should make. If you make this, let me know what you think. This right here is really good. I'm about to go finish this. Until next time, YouTube. Peace.